Jatend duond bura mar Charity Ngilu lando ni okoni owinjo jatend piny William Ruto ogwe tawo kinde ni matwak mathicho ko jalup ne Gachagua dhi nyime. Okoni kinde kao pach jopiny ewi thicho ko Gachagua. Jopiny ogolo duondgi mondo jatend piny kod jalup ne duto mondo wi owuog e apisi. Ngilu ne olose boma Kitui mane obedo gi romo gi jotend riwruok makedo jopuonj NAT kama wacho ni Gachagua ka dhi dala to jogi dhi kanyakla gi jatend piny William Ruto. Kanyo tine gi jar bura ma Kitui Central Makali Mulu kod jagoro maduong' mar riwruok mar NAT Collins Oyu giwacho ma kinde mar tiyo ne jopiny ma en kinde matino jopiny ma ok ogo siasa.
From this last year 2023 and we are planning to
solidarity
2021-25 CBR.
Leadership must listen to the needs and aspirations of the people. Yeah. And for sure, if you don't listen, you will go home. Right. And this is what we are witnessing here. Yes. Watu walioana wawili tukiwaona. Na hata ndoa haijaendelea miaka miwili. Mmoja analala kitanda upande huu, mwingine upande huu. Na hii tulikuwa tunasema hii ni ndoa ya uongo hii. Na sasa anaenda kutafuta yule hakuwa naye amsaidie. Nafikiri wa Kenya ni lazima sasa tuanze kuangalia na tuanguke na hii kitu hii. We shall not watch our country go to the dogs. And if we don't stop it, it will happen.
Watu wanasema ondoa huyu kwa kiti, bakisha huyu. But I've been asking myself, kama shule haifanyi vizuri, you blame who? So you blame my teacher. You can't start saying my deputy ameleta shida, kwa hivyo wacha tutoe deputy to bakisha teacher. That's why you are ahead of an institution. This country is facing challenges which cannot only be associated with the deputy president. These challenges must be put where they belong. And they belong to the head of the state. That is the president. Tuko pamoja. Ndio mmesikia tumesema kufa driver, kufa makanga, hata makanika afanye nini? Aende.